Hey guys, it's Stephanie. It is VLCD day number 6, round 4. I guess I am now checking in for day 5 and 6. Because I have been busy. My little cousins, everyone's visiting, and my sister, because she just had the baby. So the twins, the girls, are only 13 years old, and so they like to play with my girls and help out with my girls. I figured it would be less distraction. Not distraction, it would be a distraction for my girls, but it would be less hectic for my sister with a 3-week-old. So that went well, but I didn't have a chance to vlog yesterday. I was down 1.8 yesterday, and I am down 0.4 today. That's a total of 8.2 pounds in 5 VLCDs. Not going to complain about that. That's wonderful. Of course, I wanted to lose more than 0.4 today, but that's wonderful. Yesterday, I got a new scale. Now, that was confusing. The new scale was on sale for $24 on Groupon, originally $80. It does your body fat percentage, your weight, your water. It's really cool, too. If your water's high, it has like a little salt shaker with like a X to it. That's funny. Oh, this is telling me to go this way. So, anyway, so I got that new scale. I'm like, okay, let's get on one scale, the old scale. Now, this was after I already weighed in that morning. It was like 10 o'clock. I had my coffee and like almost a liter of water. So I'm like, okay, this is not going to be accurate, but I just want to see the difference. Well, at that point, the difference was 1.6. The new scale was less. So I'm like, that's great. I'll weigh in the morning on the new scale, and that means I should probably be less. That's what I was figuring. Me and Rachel, and also I was speaking with Karen. But this morning, my hubby kept saying something was wrong with our old scale. Like, he's like, something's not right with the scale, I'm telling you. So this morning, I weighed on the new scale, and it was 163.2, which is 0.4 down from yesterday. But I thought it would be a lot less because it said it was 1.6 difference yesterday. So I thought maybe I gained. But then I didn't want to jump on the other scale. So Josh jumps on the old scale first and said he was 149, and then he jumps on the new scale next and it said he was 145 point something, and he's like, that's almost 4 pounds. Don't get on that scale. I'm like, okay, so I don't know. Hopefully I didn't gain. I don't know why I would have gained. The only thing I can think of is I had an emergency last night, and I didn't even think about looking at the back. I literally had an emergency because my throat was bothering me, and then looked at this morning when I was only down 0.4 and saw that it had sugar and carbs in it. But I think it might have helped me because this morning I was feeling pretty yucky, but now I'm feeling a lot better. So I think that scale's all messed up, and I'm just going to go with the new scale number. And according to that, I am down 0.4. So we're going to go with that one. Hunger's been great. Yesterday, I didn't barely have any again. I ate, let's see. I finally had an apple around like 12:30, and then I had a piece of chicken around like 1:30. Not even my full 3.5 ounces. And then I made my cabbage to bring with me to my sister's because we were going back over there. And they were cooking. Oh, I made a big pot roast for my family, so I brought that over there. But they made steak and chicken, so I had steak and my cabbage for dinner. No problems there. I got home and had some strawberries, so I didn't eat very much. So then today, so far, I had an apple, and then I was back at my sister's, And I had some more, I had a little bit of steak on some spinach and lettuce. So, like a little steak salad with some of the, I did have a couple drizzles of the Walden Farms, which I don't usually do, but I needed something. So, that was today. I just wanted to, now that you got my stats,